How to look beautiful without makeup? Is that possible? This is a question everyone asking for. Yes, there are actually many ways to look gorgeous and feel confident minus the makeup. We have listed a lot of tips. You don't really need to apply mascara and blush before you step out of the house. Do you want to step out of the house without doing any type of makeup? Then we have listed fabulous ways for you to look stunning, gorgeous and fully natural. So here we go. Curl your eyelashes to make your eye look wider. If you want long lashes, you can apply almond oil or coconut oil to your lashes before hitting the sheets every night. You can also brush them in the morning with a coat of Vaseline for that voluminous look. The number one rule to dealing with pimple is to stop touching it. Yes, we are all guilty about this habit. But we desperately need to stop picking at pimples or rubbing the forehead. Just let your skin breathe. Every time you wash your face, follow up it with a moisturizer and a sunscreen before you leave the house. If you have a mark on your skin, mix lacto-calamine lotion with your sunscreen along with fading away blemishes. It is also treat acne and dry skin. Perfectly shaped brows frame your face, pull your features into focus and give an instantaneous lift, so don't neglect them. You want to drink 8 glasses of water and you want to sleep 8 hours at night. Let the skin repair and restore on its own. Doing so would also keep a check on your dark circles. Shampoo your hair every other day to prevent the hair and skin from becoming greasy. You can also style your hair, strengthen, curl, tie it up to a plait or a bun. Use your imaginations. At least once a week, exfoliate to remove dead skin cells, leaving your face with that glow you have always wanted.